useless. The whole system is functioning such a fantastic way. Just to look ourselves. That is why in ancient time we used to say, realization of the self is the final answer. Realization of the self is the final answer. You look into your eyes, how the eyes are looking others. The image is falling in the retina. Vitamin A present in that, getting converted into retinoic acid. The electricity generated there is taken through the video nervous system to the correct center. There it is getting analyzed, and we will say that in front of me, Mr. So-and-so or Miss So-and-so is standing. How our brain is analyzing it. When I am standing here, I am talking to you continuously without interruption. How the words are coming in my brain. And that message going here through the vocal cord. The vocal cord vibrates. All the muscles are supporting that. The correct English words are coming. Those English words are passing through this mic. That you are listening through the amplifier. It touches here and your eardrum is vibrating. 55 micron electricity is produced here. That electricity is taken here. The English language which you have learned in your LKG, UKG and if possible higher level, that is getting interpreted and you are understanding my message. What is the mechanism going on in this great body? Remember it. This is the consciousness present in the body. No further answer is required. Yat chakshusha na pashyati ena chakshumshi pashyati. This consciousness you cannot see by your eyes. Yat chakshusha na pashyati. You cannot see it. But ena chakshumshi pashyati. What makes the eyes see the other thing? That is consciousness. When you are sitting there and looking to me, do you know that 14 minutes your right eyes are working? After that, right eyes will take rest and left eye will be working. And after 14 minutes, again right eye will be working. This change is taking place. Who is changing this? We cannot answer. So, Atma Guhayam Nihitosya Jando. Every living being, every cow knows what are the grass it can eat. Every monkey knows what are the fruits it can eat. Every crow knows which is the food that it can eat. Every animal on the surface of the globe earth knows pretty well what are the food meant for that. How this intrinsic, inherent knowledge existed, it is given there by birth. That is what we say. Yat shrutrena nashrunoti. Even if I try to explain it to you, through the ears, understanding is difficult. But ena shrotramidam shrutam. What makes your ears understand that? That biochemical process is controlled and guided by the consciousness. In Vedas it is told, Yato vajo nivartande aprapya manasa saha. I always used to think, a yoga teacher should start teaching yoga by telling this line. Yato vajo nivartande aprapya manasa saha. I repeat once again. Yato vajo nivartande. The words are coming back from that point. Aprapya manasa saha. The mind also returning from that point, because the mind cannot reach to that level. The words cannot reach to that level. Without reaching to the last point, the whole thing come back. That is the ultimate, that is the absolute consciousness. That is the beautiful definition given. Natatra suryo bhati. That absolute consciousness you are taking. There the light of the sun has got nothing to do. Tatra suryo bhati. Na chandra tarakam. No moon, no star has got influence upon this one. Nema vidyuto bhanti. The lightning, that fantastic light and electrical energy produced in the lightning. Somebody asked one question to an electrical engineer. How much electricity is there in the fantastic super lightning? He said, New York City needs some electricity. how much electricity is needed for New York City for 80 years. That much electricity is there in one lightning. How much electricity is needed for New York City for 80 years, that much electricity is there in one lightning. So that lightning cannot come nearer to this consciousness which is present in every living. So, na tatra suryo bhati, na chandratarakam, nema vidyudo bhandi, kutoyam agnihi, tameva bhandam anubhadi sarvam, tasya bhasa vishwamidham vibhadim. That gives the energy to everything, that lights everything, that guides everything, that motivates everything, that is instructing everything. Use any English word appropriate to you. I have got limitation because I am born and brought up in India. So you use your English word for that. So that particular consciousness is guiding everything present here. Everything, including you and me and the topmost man, President of America, and also the ordinary man who prepares tea here. Everyone has got that divine power that we Indians call, and you can also now call Prajnanam Brahma. That word I hope you will remember. I wish you will remember. Prajnanam Brahma. That glorious intrinsic inherent awareness and consciousness present in all living and non-living being. That was the principle here. That is the basic spirituality. And reaching up to that much, it is very difficult. Because very clearly, na tatra chakshur gacchati, for explaining that to you, this is another set of words every yoga teacher should start in the introduction. It's na tatra chakshur gacchati. How can I explain yoga? I cannot really see what is yoga. Na vag gacchati, the words will not reach there. No manaha, the mind will not reach there. Na vidmo, nobody knows about it.